Hi friends, this video today is for those friends who are worried whether in their laptop or PC. Wi-Fi not connecting. Today I have come up with a solution for this problem. In this video I will tell you where and how to download and install Wi-Fi drivers. This is a very simple method. This will solve the problem of those friends who are worried about connecting to Wi-Fi. So let's walk you through how to download. First you go to any browser and type driver pack solution. After typing you will get a page like this, then click on the first link, driver pack download free driver update software. Click install all required drivers, then click once it is downloaded, install it. It is very easy to install, even small children can install it easily. After installation you will see a page like this. Manual you guys have to click.
Hi, I'm DriverPack's assistant. Together we will configure your computer so that everything runs well. I have checked everything, and I recommend to update out-of-date drivers, to install the missing ones, as well as to test the rest for operability. If you agree, click on the Start Installing.
Manual you guys have to click on the open expert turn and go down a bit and see.
Welcome to the expert mode. Here you can manage your computer configuring in the least details. I have already analyzed all devices on your computer and selected the following drivers.
After loading
Notice that we also suggest
further
several
in this
alternative
page,
drivers for
it
each
will
device.
show you
Just
how
click a device
many
name and you will
apps
see
in
them
this.
yourself.
Install all 8 applications in this PC. Now it is showing in the laptop how many files are going to be updated. You guys can see that you guys didn't select any one here. Scroll down a bit and see it by clicking on the install option. All. Click
Yay,
all
installing has
install.
already started. In order the drivers to get installed properly, it is important not to interrupt the installing process, nor turn off computer power. During installing I will be explaining you in details everything that will be going on, and will suggest you how to solve any issues if they arise.
Share it with you guys too.
Now you need to complete all active software and disable your antivirus for the entire installing period. It is usually possible to do via menu in the right low corner of the screen. Drivers installing is a low-level process that engages system files, so antivirus can block installing.
Now it can take 20 minutes to 50 minutes, and it might take an hour. So you guys have to wait and let it complete, then your problem will be solved. This is 100% original software and absolutely free, which you can download very easily. I hope you guys like this video of mine. Installing usually takes 20 to 50 minutes. It's not fast, but it's worth it. And absolutely free, which you can download very easy. This is 100% original software. You guys have to wait and let it complete, then your problem will be solved. I had Wi-Fi problem in my system, so first I used it myself, then thought to share it with you guys too. You guys can see that. Now it is showing in the laptop. Pin to taskbar utility. Driver pack team distributor. Only the software that we use ourselves. We learn more about the team, what works on driver pack, more your pointer to the driving over here. Thanks a lot. Driver pack configure more than 100 computers per day all over the world. I hope you guys like this video of mine. If you guys still want to check after doing this, please like and share this video of mine.